What's up buddy, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'll discuss about at present times one of the most popular stock, that is Ireda. So company has posted a great number of net profits, that is 384 crore ended June 2024, which is up by 30%. Last year company's profits were 295 crore. So from 295 crore to 384 crore, which is a very good number, and company's loan book also increased by 63,207 crore, and last year it was 47,207 crore, which is up by 34%. So we can see that company's loan book also increased with profits. So it is a very good sign for Ireda. So if we look at the company's performance, company has given so far 370% return since the IPO, which is really massive guys. So company brought the IPO in November 2023 and the IPO price was only 32, and it got listed in NSE and BSE both just by 50 rupees. So from 50 rupees listing price, the stock price started rally. As of now, I'm shooting the stock price has touched near about 284 rupees. So we can say investor got multifold return in this particular stock. Those have stayed invested since the IPO, and still if anyone is holding since the IPO, please do let me know in the comment box. I would love to hear that. So many people think that Ireda is a green energy stocks, but Ireda is not a green energy stock. Ireda is a NBFC PFC company, just like Bajaj Finance, Muthoot Finance. In the case of Ireda, there is a difference. Ireda only provides loan to those company who works in green energy sector only. So now the billion-dollar question is coming here: why the renewable industry stocks are flying every day? In a simple answer to this, our Indian government is heavily pushing towards renewable industry and spending lot of capex, and in future government will allow more capex in renewable industry. Because if we look at the data, by 2030 Indian government has a target of completing 500 gigawatt power, and 1 crore household will get rooftop solar panel worth of 75,000 crore by PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli scheme. So you can understand about company's future and growth, how bright it is. But the real question is coming: is Ireda an overvalued company, or is there any bubble has been created? Because if we look at the company's valuation, at present Ireda's P is hovering near about 60, so which is bit of expensive if we compare to other peers company like PFC, REC. So if we look at the PFC and REC's P, PFC is hovering near about 9 and REC's P is near about 12. So we can understand where Ireda is having near about 57 P, and what about the other competitors company, their P is below 12 even, and you can say how overvalued is Ireda right now. So now we'll get to know this 57 P is justified for Ireda or not. So let's get started. So the main problem of NBFC company is the NPA. NPA means non-performing asset. NPA actually the money which company provides as a loan and they don't get it back. So NPA number is very important for any NBFC or any banking company. So if we look at Ireda's NPA, so Ireda's NPA is 0.95%, which is pretty much good. Actually it has been improved because last year at the same quarter company's NPA was 1.61%. So from 1.61% company's NPA stood right now 0.95%. And not only that, company's loan book also increased. If any company's loan book is growing and at the same time if NPA is also going down, it is a very good sign for this company. So if you look at the company's P&L statement, in 2019 company's profits were 250, and in 2020 due to the COVID, I think the profit went down, that is 215 crore, and by 2021 it went up again 346 crore, and in 2022 company made 634 crore profits, and in 2023 company made 865 crore profits, and by 2024 company made 1252 crore profit. So you can see company is going in a rapid speed. So if we look at the company's shareholding pattern, that is promoter are having right now 75%, and FIs are holding 2.7%, DIs are holding 0.42%, and rest of the holdings are coming from public, that is 21.87%. So in the case of Ireda, I just found out two noticeable things. First thing, in the loan book, because Ireda only provides the loan to those companies who works in green energy space. But if you look at the others competitor company, that is REC, PFC, they are well diversified and they provide the loan in thermal company, infrastructure companies. So I don't find out any special advantage or any monopoly for Ireda in this particular space. So anybody can lend to these renewable companies. And second thing is the valuation, because at this point of time Ireda is having 57P, which is bit of expensive for me, and as Q1 number has posted well, so definitely I think this company will be provided more rally, and on that occasion this company will be more overvalued. So it doesn't mean that you don't need to buy this company. Definitely you should have in your portfolio, but when company's price will be corrected, though I'm not providing any buy and sell tips before buying this share or any share, please consult with your financial advisor. And if you have any question regarding this stock or any stock, please do let me know in the comment. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much guys.